Hello friends, Fit Plus CRM is the absolutely free with a small business. You can manage any type of fitness centers like gym, yoga classes, dance studio, and any type of fitness centers. So firstly need to register here if you are the new. If you have already created the account, then need to log in here. If you are the member, then click on the member login. So you can log in here. If you are not member, then click here, not a member. So this is the fitness centers logins, employee login here. And if you are new, click on the new registrations. So after you clicked on the new registration, then open the page. So enter the first name, last name, email ID, country code, mobile number, password, confirm password, address here, and need to select the plan. So this is the fitness centers plan. So there are the multiple plans. So need to select a startup free, and here like you can manage one branch, member is 100 and inquiry 100. You can do the 100 inquiries and members. There are the modules. In this plans, this modules is included. It is absolutely free. No need pay the extra amounts. Right? Then need to confirm, do the registrations. I have already done the registration. So need to log in here. So, so this is the dashboard. So you can see every type of information on the dashboard. I have created one branch. So here display the one branch is here. You can download the QR code also here, and you can select the branches here. You can change the languages of the entire site. So this is the Hindi language, and now I am changing to English. This is the English language. So you can create the members here. You can you can create the master check like a package period, package group, package, batch, payment method, tags, log types, and also you can manage the leads, inquiry. You can create the inquiry type. You can generate the inquiry. Here is the inquiries. Then you manage the follow-ups. This is the inquiries categories. Already we have created. If need, then you can create it. Here is the members. You can do the member registration here. Membership, add-on, renewal, membership age, expired members, attendance. You can manage the two types of attendance. One is the manual and other is the QR attendance. So employee can mark the attendance by the QR. Here is the finance. You can manage the finance. Here is the remaining balance. You can see the remaining balance. You can create the tickets for the supports. Here is the you can add any reminders in your mind, activities. If you have done any activities in your fitness centers, then you can add here. This is the dashboard member. Here is the you can see the members, total active, total inactive, today implied. So it is a completely you can send also the messages on the WhatsApp number. If any members have due the amount, then you can send the WhatsApp notifications. Here you can see your profiles, change the password here. You can see your membership plans. Here is the my company, so you can update your update the logos, name, GST numbers, logo here, and also you do the digital signatures here. And here is the settings like this. You can do everything here. Like here is the message templates. You can manage here. So it is a completely free. If you have any type of questions, queries, if you are facing any issues with free plans, then connect with us. Number has provided on the websites, so you can put the message on the WhatsApp. We are available into 24 into 7. Thank you.